Take one.
Can't believe your stupid car broke down, man. I told you you should let me drive.
It's been working on the leg. I can't believe it didn't work.
Trick or treat!
We don't give out candy here.
Why not?
We don't give candy out to begging kids.
Why?
We ain't got time to mess with y'all. Y'all just go and leave me alone.
So I guess we can't spend the night, huh?
I said get out of here!
Alright, man. Little twit.
What'd you call me?
Nothing, mate.
Man, get off my phone. Hey, leave him alone. Why don't you get off? Y'all stay out of here.
Hey, let us in, come on. There's some crazy man. Let us in. Come on. Hey, man, we gotta help you.
Come, man. Dude, what's happening?
Some idiot, man. We was just out trick or treating and our car broke down.
Get some candy.
We asked if we could stay. He wouldn't let us.
Time out. Ain't y'all a little too old to be trick or treating?
Candy's candy. It's free.
Okay, now, why are you in my house? You tell me.
Our car broke down. We ain't got nowhere to go. What's that noise?
It's dogs. Your
Dogs.
Car, no. It's not. No, what? Your car broke down. And there's what about, who's
I don't
that?
know, some short guy in a red jacket.
Oh, yeah. That's on Bagley. He's crazy. But, did you go to his house?
Yes.
Dude, man, you messed up bad.
Well, we didn't know. We don't
you
live
gotta
there.
wait.
No.
Well, my car's in the shop. I can't take you home. You're welcome to stay there.
You sure?
No, we don't want to invade on you
No,
now.
you're welcome to. You sure? Kill it! I guess, dude, man. Y'all can stay in the other room.
You sure you got enough room in here?
Yeah, there's a bed. There's a cot in that room. Got to sleep on the floor. I'll go tell him old Fagley down.
Man, what is that noise? What's his name?
Ron. He's a suburban Rottweiler.
Everybody barking when you get that up here. Well, I was trying to comment to Fagley there. Y'all make yourself at home, man. I really appreciate it. All right.
Ron, man.
Dude, man, you gotta quit that. People gonna find out about you. We're trying to hide you, man.
Cut yet? You didn't cut?
Cool, let go. Now mash it again.
Go!
Hold on. Oh, shit, you.
Next time!
Is it on? I'm going home.
Philip, if you had to blow it up. 8-7.
Okay.
What'd you do that for?
Go.
I wonder where they went to.
Calm down, they're gone. Forget it.
Better be gone.
I said, who are you?
I'm Bart Simpson. Who the hell are you?
Hey, man. David, dude!
Look, man, Martin Luther King. Find out who you are. Hey. Look, man, Martin Luther King.
Hey, oh, you're Bart Simpson. Who the hell am I?
Yeah, man. Think about Dingy. Think about Ken. Think about anybody that would do this.
Harvey! Oh!
Dude, Dingy.
Hit me with a hatchet.
Oh!
Got some of that stupid latex crap in my
No,
hair.
it's
Oh!
Alex.
It's the Star Step Skinner Pride.
It's a sucky movie.
So what's your thoughts on our new movie?
I
Anyway?
think it sucks. Every
I'll
time
be Leonard Maltin. Sly.
You had Leonard Maltin. Wow.
I'll be you then. I give this movie 4 stars.